Most small teams don't actually have an onboarding problem. They have a handoff problem. It's that gap between a client saying yes and the team actually getting to work. That's where context gets dropped, replies get delayed, and the client's first impression of your professionalism starts to slide. Today, we're fixing that with Make. Before we start, a quick note. Some links in the description are affiliate links. Using them supports Workflow Signal at no extra cost to you. Now, let's look at the friction. In the manual version, a new client submits an intake form. That data lands in an inbox where it sits for hours, maybe days, because you're busy with other clients. Then someone has to manually copy-paste those details into the CRM. It's tedious, it's prone to errors, and frankly, it's a waste of your team's talent. While that's happening, the team is in the dark. No one knows the client is ready. Internal handoffs are messy, relying on someone remembering to send a message. By the time the welcome email finally goes out, the client's initial excitement has already faded. This is why we need a visual orchestration layer. This is where Make fits. It's not just about connecting apps. It's about seeing the logic of your business and controlling the flow of information visually. Because it's visual, you can actually see where the bottlenecks are. You can iterate on your process without writing a single line of code. Here is the stack we're building today. It's simple, robust, and connects your intake form directly to your CRM, team communication, and tasks. First, the intake form. We're using Tally because it's clean and integrates perfectly, but this works with Typeform, Google Forms, or whatever you use. HubSpot will be our source of truth. Make ensures that every client detail is synced there immediately, updating existing records or creating new ones. Slack handles our internal alerts, and Asana, or ClickUp, manages the actual task checklist that ensures we deliver what we promised. And finally, a personalized welcome email. It's the finishing touch that confirms to the client that they are in good hands. Let's build it. We start with the Tally Watch New Responses module. This is our trigger. The moment that form is submitted, Make wakes up and grabs the data. Next, we map that data into HubSpot. See how easy this is? You just drag the fields from the intake form into the corresponding CRM fields. No code required. Now, for some logic, we can use a router to send new clients down one path and returning clients down another, ensuring the communication is always relevant. The Slack module then sends an alert to the team. We include the key details, like budget and timeline, so everyone has context without leaving Slack. At the same time, we create the task in Asana. We can even assign it to the account manager automatically based on the intake data. For document management, Make creates a dedicated folder in Google Drive. It's organized before you even start the first project. Here's the high leverage part. We add an AI step. OpenAI reads the intake form and generates a short briefing note for the team, saving them from reading paragraphs of text. The final module sends the welcome email. It's personalized, it's instant, and it includes exactly what the client needs to do next. The numbers don't lie. You're moving from 45 minutes of manual admin per client to about 2 minutes of just monitoring the process. That's leverage. But more than time, it's about the client experience. They feel prioritized. They feel like they're working with a pro-level operation. So, is this worth building? If you're onboarding more than 2 clients a month and your process is repeatable, then yes, absolutely. It's a foundational win. However, if your process is still changing every week, don't automate yet. Automation only scales what you already have. It doesn't fix a process that doesn't work. The best part about Make is that you can start for free. There's no credit card required and no time limit on the free plan. You can build this simple and expand it later. If you want to build this today, use the link in the description to sign up for Make. It's the easiest next step to taking control of your operations. This is Workflow Signal. If you found this useful, subscribe for more practical, hype-free workflows. I'll see you in the next one.